If you're trying to decide between Linux Mint and Linux Lite, here's a quick, honest breakdown from my experience using both. Linux Mint feels like the more complete, polished option right out of the box. It's based on Ubuntu, so you get strong stability, a huge software library, and a really smooth desktop, especially with Cinnamon. It's great if you're coming from Windows and want something familiar without much tweaking. Linux Lite, on the other hand, is all about being lightweight and fast. It's designed for older or low-spec computers, and you can really feel that difference. It uses the XFCE desktop, which is simple, efficient, and doesn't eat up resources. It also includes helpful tools for beginners, which is a nice touch. So which one wins? Honestly, it depends. If you want a modern, all-round daily driver, go with Linux Mint. But if you're reviving an old machine or need something ultra-light, Linux Lite takes the win there. Both are solid, just built for different users.